What if I told you that your next natural teeth whitener isn't baking soda, charcoal, or coconut oil, but something completely different? Something so gentle it can brighten your teeth without any risk of sensitivity or enamel damage. Sounds impossible, right? Well, here's the twist. It's 100% natural, backed by dental science, and already in your kitchen. Stay till the end, because I'm sharing 3 unique home remedies you've probably never tried, and one of them works even better than commercial whitening toothpaste. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do home remedies really work? And the answer is, some do, some don't. You probably heard of baking soda or oil pulling, and yes, they help. But if you've already tried those with little to no difference, these new ones might surprise you. See, the real secret to naturally whiter teeth isn't about scrubbing harder or using acids. It's about balancing your mouth's pH, mineralizing the enamel, and gently lifting stains over time. And the best part? You can do all that with simple, non-toxic ingredients. All right, let's start with remedy number 1, banana peel minerals. This one sounds strange, but it's incredibly effective. Banana peels are rich in potassium, magnesium, and manganese, minerals that help strengthen and brighten enamel naturally. After brushing your teeth, take a fresh banana peel and rub the inside, the white part, gently on your teeth for about 2 minutes. Leave it for another minute, then rinse and brush again with regular toothpaste. Do this daily for a week, and you'll notice a subtle but real difference. Not from bleaching, but from re-mineralizing your enamel. Now, let's move to something that might surprise you even more. Turmeric powder. Yes, turmeric. The same golden spice known for staining clothes can actually whiten teeth. Sounds ironic, right? Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that reduces inflammation and fights bacteria, helping remove plaque and yellow buildup over time. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a few drops of coconut oil or water to make a paste. Brush your teeth gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, and follow up with your regular toothpaste. Do this 3 times a week. Not only will it brighten your smile, but it will also improve gum health and reduce mouth odor. And now for the third, clove oil and salt rinse. This isn't just for toothaches. Clove oil has natural whitening and antibacterial properties. When combined with salt water, it helps remove surface stains and detoxify your mouth. Add 2 drops of clove oil to half a cup of warm salt water. Swish it around for 30 seconds and spit it out. Do this every night before bed. It gently removes discoloration and keeps your gums strong and clean. Now, here's something to remember. Natural whitening takes time. You won't see overnight results, but after consistent use, you'll notice your teeth looking naturally brighter, not bleached, just healthier and whiter. But before you rush to try every trend you see online, let me warn you, avoid using lemon, vinegar, or hydrogen peroxide directly on your teeth. They might look effective in short videos, but they erode enamel permanently, leading to long-term yellowing. Here's the cool part. All 3 remedies I just shared, banana peel minerals, turmeric paste, and clove oil rinse, not only whiten your teeth safely, but also strengthen enamel and fight bacteria. That means a brighter, healthier smile that lasts. Before we wrap up, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because in my next video, I'll be testing a brand new dentist-approved whitening ingredient that's trending in 2025, and it's something most people have never heard of. Thanks for watching, and remember, whitening your teeth isn't about harsh chemicals. It's about gentle, consistent care. Take care of your smile, and your smile will take care of you.